backwards here! Backwards here! Oh, got one. Net, get the nuts. Oh! He's on it. He's on it. He's on it. Double, double. Hold it. Hold him, hold him, hold him. Heading out. Johnny Boy's following me. We're going to try something very new, very different today. We're going to a free-flowing river. So normally you can only take a kayak or a canoe to float this, or a jet boat if you had a jet boat. I don't have a jet boat, so what we're going to do is try to arrange 2 cars and just float downstream, and I'll use my trolling motor to fish. Trying to catch some smallmouth, maybe some walleye, maybe some musky. It's going to be pretty cool. All right. So we've reached what we planned on being the takeout spot. John says it looks a little treacherous. It might be the case. Yeah, so it's not really a proper boat launch. This is what we're working with. So this is where we're going to leave one car and plan on taking the boat out. It's going to be a little sketchy. Push. That's it. Yeah. Let's go. Woo. Buddy. This is an adventure. So we put in Jaybird over here while I was trailering the boat. Already got a brown trout. I think we'll have that footage. First fish of the day. Little brown trout, I think. That we just showed. River is looking beautiful. Launching was a little bit hectic, but we're gonna get on our way here. 67-degree water temps. That's so nice up here. Mid-July, it's only 67. Yeah, baby. Dude, use the thing you just worked with.
I just want to have some jerk baits ready to go.
Uh-oh. Follow from a trout. Follow from a trout. First cast. Nice trout.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh! Missed him. Missed him. Oh, dude, we're just about to crush. Get out of here. Dude, about to anchor. Oh. Right? Oh, got him. Got him. Fish. Nice smallie. Nice smallie. Oh!
Got a big rock coming up.
What's that depth say? Oh, oh, got him, got him.
Yeah.
The light. You got one? There we go, baby.
Oh, Rainbow.
I hooked you.
Bro,
I hooked you.
What are you doing?
I hooked you. Sorry.
Rainbow.
Rainbow trout. Dude. All right. Is that, yep. I just gotta pick this up completely. All right.
Nice one. Nice one.
Oh, let's go, Jay. See if we can double up.
Nicer one. Bro.
Smallie.
Bro.
Ooh. Ooh. Good one. You want me to hang around here?
Yeah, definitely. Good spot.
Good smallie.
Yeah, let's go.
Put the angle down. on the
Pretty fatty.
Rebel Cray.
Beautiful. There he goes. There was a tunnel over there of a tributary that we passed. Because the water's so clear, I'm gonna take this same net and I'm gonna go try to catch us some minnows, and we're really gonna light these fish up once we get some minnows.
Absolute unit media.
You got a fish? How many fish have you caught while I was gone? Dude, there were no minnows in that creek. Here, let me do, let's do an underwater release. Beautiful, beautiful fish.
Smacked it with a vengeance.
That one, here we go.
There we go, baby. It's that trout.
Another trout.
Another trout, baby. Yeah. He's using a Rebel crayfish. All right, let me see him. But wait. Okay. How big? Musk?
Maybe. Either that or a carp. Pretty fast.
Oh, got one. Oh my God, nice one. Nice one. Hey, what's up? I got a nice brown trout on right now. Yeah, I think we're sticking with the, I got a nice, no, it's a rainbow.
Oh, really? Send a picture.
Okay,
Fish out here.
it's our third trout.
Nice.
Oh, geez. Yeah, here, I'll call you back. Hey, can I get pliers? Just go straight. Just make sure the boat's straight. I'll tell you when we get closer. Okay, nice little trout here. Just had one?
Oh my God, he came up and smacked.
Trout.
Oh, that one.
Got him? Oh my gosh, guys. This is
Nice one,
this is a circus. Nice bass. This is a freaking circus here. Dude, nice smallmouth. We're in rapids here, baby. We're in rapids. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God, oh gosh. Whoo! Yo, bring him in. That's the nicest smallie of the day. What? What? Okay. That's a beaut, dude. You gotta, I want to see a length on him. All right, I got you, bro. Dude, that's like a 16.
Yeah,
Look at him. Get him real
heavy.
close.
He's heavy.
Yeah, 15. Yeah, toss him. Toss mode. What utter chaos. What utter chaos. I'm like this. I'm like, dude, it's I told you, great. This is, oh, got one. Fish. Oh, whoa, let's go. Let's freaking go. Dude, I might need a net. Dude, this is like a salmon. Oh my God, get the net, Oh! Oh my God. Good to take your time, study the craft.
Hold up, though.
Fish.
Thank you. Where that?
Oh, he's not bad. Oh!
River trip. Woo! Straighten it out.
I'm trying.
There, pull it out. Mercy on us. Oh my God.
All right, what's this though? There. That's where we want to be, I think. Yeah, come on. Backwards on this side. All right, now backwards. Keep backwards on that side. Get us straightened. Screw it. Yeah, right? Oh, got him. Oh,
I just said, come on.
little guy. Little guy on the shadow wrap. Hey, 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 hey. I know. I know. Oh, look at these two. And look, there's another sheep's head.
I saw him.
Oh, shit.
What?
I think I just... musky, 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 musky. Big one, big one, big one, big one. Did you see him? Yeah. Big one, dude. Musky, musky, musky. Dude, big musky, big musky. 40 at least. At least 40. Right around the bend there. Straight ahead of us. I'm shaking, dude. I'm shaking. He was just silently sitting. Silently frickin' sitting.
You get him, bro. Drive up.
I am trembling, dude. Those are some carp chasing each other.
Bro, pass.
He's on it, 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 he's on it. Oh my God, he's so big. He's so big. He's so big. He's so big. Oh, oh, oh. Holy shit. Oh God. What a monster. What an absolute monster, dude. I'm really appreciative that he at least came to say hello to us, you know? And you got to see him? Otherwise you're gonna be sitting there like, you saw a carp.
And I lost crate, but I didn't lose crate. I still got my crate, dog.
Oh, fish, fish.
Finder still works.
Does it?
Yeah.
No, it's not working right now. Little Smalley! Ah! Oh. Oh, fish, fish, nice fish. Trout, trout, trout. Good trout.
Get him.
Yeah, beauty.
Oh, got one.
You got one too, double.
He's off. It was a trout too.
Ooh, pretty. Look at that, beauty. Ah! Oh, fish, fish.
Ooh, nice one.
Got a little something to him. Hey, pretty. Little river Smalley. Oh, there we go. A fish. What are you doing, dude? That's what was that?
It's absolute unit media.
Catch him. And release.
You didn't like the spin?
What's the purpose of that? Oh, yo, 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 right there, right there. You need the middle. You need the middle. You need the middle. You're the middle, 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 middle. Backwards here, backwards here, backwards here, backwards here, backwards here. All right, over here, over here, over here, 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 here. Go this way, 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 go this way. You got him?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Big one. It's a net.
Net?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a net.
I got you. God damn it.
Ready?
All right. That's the biggest one of the day, I think, maybe.
Dude,
Beautiful.
I just scared all the colors off him, I
Here. We're gonna play sick music while we watch you like this. Being real sweet with that lo-fi beats. Right, there's a rock to the left. We want the water that stays smooth the longest. Make sure you keep it straight. Okay. Check. Man, that would have wrecked us. Okay. 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 Keep it straight, keep it straight. There's big boulder out of the water over there. Oh, there we go. Good job.
To go. Hey gang. Little 11-inch smallmouth on the rebel crayfish.
Well, we're almost to the launch. One fish, nice fish. Holy, you got the sheep's head. You got a sheep's head. Oh, hold on, Monica, I'll call you back. Oh! Here's the problem, dude. How are we gonna get it on the fucking trailer? There's no depth to the water. So how are we gonna get it on the trailer?
Should have been fucking thought about.
Yo, don't yell.
Oh, yeah, you're just like, now it's just like, no, it won't work.
We're back here for day 2. Why day 2? Because we screwed up. We thought we were going to trailer the boat there when we got done. And as you can see, you want to show them? There was no chance that was happening. It's too shallow. Couldn't get the boat in there. Couldn't get the trailer in there. And therefore, we actually had to stash the boat over there under that tree. Luckily, it looks like it's in good shape, unmolested, and we will be loading up and continuing to float downriver to another launch, which is the actual boat launch, but it's another, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 miles, 4 to 7 miles downriver. And so it's another stretch I've never been to, and we're gonna float it. Trailer's down there. We'll see how it goes. Okay, round dose, day 2. Brought some suntan lotion this time. Ugh. Oh. You sit on this. And my I was more worried, honestly, about the batteries. Someone could take the batteries. That would have been $100 come up. They're like, oh, come back, because like you wouldn't be. The one problem is like, how are you gonna do it? You can't exactly flip that in your kayak if you saw it floating by. Okay, rebel crayfish. Another lesson we learned yesterday, which is a thing I should have known because we lost a lot of fish, is that when you're using a Rebel crayfish with these small trebles, you shouldn't use braided line. Because if you use braided line, you lose a lot of fish. You need a little cushion, a little stretch. Fluorocarbon has a little more stretch than braid, so I found a spool that had 8-pound fluoro on it, so
Yo,
they should do better.
we had
Chill.
it, and now we're...
Oh no, transduce! Got him.
Yeah, nice.
There we go. Oh, I think it's a trout.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, damn it!
Drop that braid from time to time.
He just followed. It wasn't a big fish, but dude, I swear this thing is like a fucking fish finder. Watch it when it comes in. Watch. You're gonna see a fish follow this. We're in deep water here. There's fish everywhere. Watch this come in. There we go. Cray?
Yeah.
Oh, look, look. I gotta follow. I gotta follow. You see it? He might have peeled off.
First fish of the day.
Quick release.
That's how I like them. Got him.
Here we go.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a walleye. We'll stay put. It is?
That was big.
Let's go. All right, we'll hang out for a minute.
Tough, dog. What I say?
Let me help you land it because we got no net. God, with the jerking ham. Here, here, here. God.
Look at him. He has full.
He's like armored.
You did the Ricky Ralph.
What's a Ricky Ralph?
You know, he'd just be like, oh.
Who's
Rap
that?
songs, Ricky Ralph.
Oh, Rick Ross. Oh, he's so golden. Look at that.
How's my fish looking?
Good. Let's get a.
Oh yeah. It's way back.
Oh, damn, man. You were just crushing them.
He's a nice TV for the day, boy. Oh yeah.
Oh, jeez.
What's up?
Jerk. How you getting them, Jack?
Jerk bait, moving with the current, not against. Clearly.
You're going straight for it. Yo, 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 yo.
Turn around now.
What'd you say?
Oh no, 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 no.
No, no, come on. All right, don't fall in when I do what I'm about to do. God damn. Some intensity in this trip.
Got one.
There we go, big one.
From a distance, baby.
Big one. Am I recording? Yes. Oh, fish, fish. Double, double. Turn that music off. Double. What do I got?
You got a smallie, just like me, baby. Decent one too, man.
Dude, let's get a double shot of this. Get that, keep that in the boat. Ooh,
How we doing?
double smallies. I'm gonna plop them. Ready? Do you think I can plop them? Yeah. All right, we just got these two smallies back to back. I mean, well, it was a double header smallies on jerk baits on day 2. John just caught this amazing. Look at this.
It is.
A sauger out of this river. We've never caught a sauger out of this river. It is.
Look how pretty.
The colors on this boy are intense. Intense.
My God.
We're gonna have to do an underwater release on this boy.
Got it.
Look at him. Ah. Fish.
Get him.
He's got one hook.
What is it?
Smallie. Let's get the back hook. Shake him off.
Nice.
Oh God, they're so pretty. They're so pretty out here. Hold it! Hold him! Hold him! Hold him! There we go, baby!
Bro, this rope was like borderline wrapped around my leg. Very, very dangerous.
Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. Safely at the car though. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Mission accomplished. Took 2 days, but we got the boat back on the trailer, safe and sound. Caught some fish, right?
It was tough. It was really tough. I don't want to go fishing tomorrow.
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to take 2 days. Caught some smallmouth, caught some trout, caught a sauger, it's pretty cool. Saw a giant musky, got him to follow. Hopefully that shows up on video. Saw a lot of cool stuff, very scenic, nice clear water. But probably never gonna do that again.
Yeah.
Next time we try that float again, we'll do it in canoes
As
or
it's designed,
kayaks.
as it's promoted.
Yeah, not with a JON boat. Maybe with some more water, you know.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pay me.
If the water level was up, but anyway. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it and comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.